Docking procedure initiated. Prepare for offloading.
Clear the ramp! Batch 404 coming through!
Intake conveyor active. Speed set to normal. Tracking codes applied. Batch registered.
Core temperature verified. Within safety limits. Weight confirmed. 38.1 kilograms. Proceeding.
Dimensions logged. Calculating cut path.
Sectioning complete. Parting confirmed. Grip secure. Transferring to processing. Sanitization cycle active. Surface clear.
Initiating deep tissue scan.
Internal structure mapped. Marbling grade analysis. Imperfections detected. Removing via airjet. Surface purification 99% complete. Cryoprobes engaged. Stabilizing temperature. Texture modification in progress.
Batch moving to phase 2.
Microfissures detected. Within tolerance. Trimmings processed. Fat ratio 80-20. UVC field active. Bacteria elimination.
Final sterilization pass.
Marbling enhancement solution injected.
Zone 4 access granted. Cut prep.
Compression cycle. Shaping uniform block. Heavy load transfer. Clear area. Primary sectioning. Slice thickness 50 millimeters. Laser trim active. Edge refinement.
Extrusion rate nominal.
Saline application. Coverage 100%. Surface polishing. Removing debris. Decontamination brushing. Final pathogen check.
Production efficiency is up 15%. Robots are synced.
Marbling texture. Prime grade.
Adjusting tolerance to 0.05 millimeters.
Preservative mist applied.
Rapid cooling initiated. Fat emulsion injection. Enhancing flavor profile.
Product verified. Ready for packaging.
Packaging cycle. Unit boxed. Weighting. Final weight confirmed. Shipping label generated. Distribution fleet launching. Deliveries on schedule.
X-ray scanning active. Foreign object check.
Hydro trimming fat cap to 5 millimeters.
Ferrous material check. Negative. Surface sample collected. Pathogen analysis.
Cellular structure is pristine. A5 grade confirmed. Genetic lineage trace complete. Black Angus purebred.
Entering the sanctuary. Humidity 85%.
Aging day 28. Enzyme breakdown. Active.
Time compression. 45 days in 8 seconds.
Crust removal. Exposing tenderized core. Portioning dry-aged ribeye. 16 ounces.
Vacuum pouch loading.
Oxygen removal 100%. Seal integrity verified. Shrink wrap contraction complete. Premium gold label applied. Box assembly matrix. Speed 60 units per minute. Protective cushioning installed. Product placement. Orientation correct.
Thermal control unit added.
Package sealed. Tamper-proof tape applied. Pallet layer 4 complete. Stabilizing load. Load containment. Stretch wrap tension 200%.
Route calculated to cold storage A.
Inventory capacity 50,000 units. Temperature stable.
Order retrieval.
Aisle 12, level 9. Chef module online. Recipe, perfect sear.
Seasoning dispersion. Himalayan salt and cracked pepper. Olive oil coating applied.
Grill temperature 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Ready.
Contact established. Maillard reaction initiating.
Searing phase 1.
Flip complete. Char perfection achieved. Basting cycle. Garlic butter infusion.
Aromatics added. Rosemary essence. Internal core, 130 degrees. Perfect medium rare.
Resting period. Juice redistribution.
Slicing texture. Extremely tender.
Doneness level. Absolute perfection.
Plating algorithm. Reduction source design.
Microgreens placed. Dish complete.
The modern steak. Ready for service.
Incredible. The technology works.
Quality rating, 5 stars. A5 Supreme.
Shippicor, New York. London, Dubai.
Future Foods Inc. Engineering perfection.
Bioreactor Hall C. Cell multiplication active.
Cellular mitosis rate. Exponential.
Nutrient medium delivery. Amino acids balanced. Biomass harvest. Protein density 95%.
Bioprinter calibrated. Loading Wagyu file.
Depositing muscle fibers. Layer 1.
Injecting lipid structure. Pattern, A5 marbling.
Structure height, 30 millimeters. 50% complete.
Surface topography within tolerance.
Setting maturation cycle, 4 hours.
Electrical stimulation. Toughening fibers.
Myoglobin oxidation. Color depth achieved.
Indistinguishable from organic.
Water recycling system. 98% recovery. Solar array efficiency, maximum. Organic waste to energy conversion, active. Packaging material, 100% compostable.
Sanitation cycle. Zone B.
Microbial elimination. Surface sterile.
Blade honing. Sharpness restored.
System reboot. Morning shift initiation.
All right, team, let's make it a great shift.
Shift A checked in.
Route optimization. Destination. City center. Airlift engaged. Approaching drop zone. Package delivered. Signature confirmed. New item detect. Premium ribeye.
Shall I prepare dinner now, sir?
Searing at 400 degrees.
Timing started.
Best steak we've ever had.
Customer satisfaction recorded. Feedback loop complete.
The first cultured steak. Year 2024.
Project Omega. The texture is limitless.
Operations nominal. Night cycle.
No intrusions.
AI processing core. Learning new recipes.
Cell cultured leather. Zero waste initiative.
Mineral extraction complete. Fertilizer grade. Effluent purified. Potable standard.
Employee Wellness Center. Peak performance.
Try the new batch. It's amazing.
We are feeding the future. For the next generation.
System standby. End of line.
Modern steak factory. The future of meat.